All right, hey guys, this is Jason Gerald, and I want to show you how you can actually set up a Gmail folder and have emails forwarded from your domain that we sent to you into that folder. For example, if I have a support at jasongerald.com, I want all those emails to sent to me that get loaded directly to a folder on my Gmail account. This helps me organize my emails coming in. I also not only want support, but maybe it's Jason at jasongerald or admin at jasongerald.com. All of those emails to be forwarded to me to get put into one bucket within my email account. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple right now. All right, guys, I'm in my account right here, in my Gmail account, and any emails coming in, I want it to be forwarded directly to a folder. So it's very simple to do. All you have to do is go right here, click on this, and I'm going to make this a global kind of filter to go through here. So how you do that is put in jasongerald.com right there, and it's to the 2, and I put that in there. Now if I would have put support at jasongerald.com, that would be only those emails that would go to that folder. But in my case, anything coming into my account that has jasongerald.com would go to that folder. That's what I want to do. Okay, so all you have to do is hit create. Okay, create filter, because now you want to make sure you got a filter that's all coming in. Now I do not want to have it go into my inbox because I don't want to clutter up my inbox. So I want to skip the inbox and I want to apply a filter. Now in this case, I didn't create a filter ahead of time, so let's create one right now, and let's call it Jason Gerald. Okay, just like that. G-E-R, I gotta spell my name, G-E-R-A-L-D. Okay, create. Interesting. All right, and I'm gonna make sure there's a check mark there. Now, I've never sent to spam. Now you do the same thing. So if you've got an email that's always going to spam, that's how you do it. You don't want to put it to spam. You make sure you put your email from, the from email, not the to, but the from. When you put the never to spam, it won't go to spam anymore. So that's the key. And then I always want to mark these as important. So mark it as never. Don't want to do that. I want to say always mark as important. Okay. Now right here it says also, right here it says also apply filters to matching scenarios. Basic, or that's not what it says, but matching. What it means is that if you already have emails in there, we'll pull all your emails. It would be a number, but I don't have anything, so no big deal. It would pull it all into that one folder for you automatically, all the existing emails on your system. Okay, so create. Now if you look over here, there it is. There's the folder. It's been created already. It happened so fast. It's right there. Now if I open it up, there's going to be nothing in there. Okay, it's blank. So let's go over here and let's do a quick test. I got 2 emails account, so I'm going to compose, and I want to say this is a test email for Jason at jasongerald, G-E-R-A-L-D.com. Okay, and then just send that. And then I want to do another one called support at jasongerald. Okay, and I'm going to say this is a test email, support at jasongerald.com. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now I just got to give it a few, maybe a couple of minutes before it will show up here. It doesn't happen automatically. It takes maybe a couple of seconds. Sometimes it could take a minute. It just depends. In the meantime, while we're waiting for that, I want to show you where this stuff looks like. So if you go into your into the gearbox over here, go into settings, I want to show you how you can adjust this. So here's the label. Remember, labels are folders. If you scroll down, you will see the folder we created called Jason Gerald right there. You can remove it or you can edit it. Okay, let's say I removed it and I don't want to do it because I want to test that to make sure the emails come through here correctly. Okay, so the filter we set up right here, if you removed it or edited that name of that filter, this filter here would not work. Okay, now I also have two filters here. I'm going to delete this first one and say okay, because I really only want to see this one here on here. And there's the 2 emails. You see the 2 emails just came through right there. The 2 is right there. Okay, so but let me finish this up. So any emails that come in to my account, this says skip the inbox right here. Skip the inbox. Apply this label called Jason Gerald and never send to spam, and mark it as important. Okay, and then you can edit this or change this. So you can edit that, say you want to change it, and you can continue. You can go in here and change any of this information you want to here. That's how easy it is. Now, let me go back over here and show you the 2 emails. Okay. Refresh. Why is it not showing up? Okay, maybe I did something wrong. I may have deleted it. All right, let me put the all right, I had just a simple problem with my computer. It wasn't refreshing. So there's the inbox right here. It says 2. That means there's the 2 emails, and that was the test. There's the support email, and here is the other email that it came from. Okay. All right, that's how easy this stuff is to work. And now I'm just going to go ahead and delete both of those because I don't need those. And boom, it's gone. And if I don't want this right here, let's say I don't want that folder anymore, I can go right there and remove that label and say delete. Okay, now I'm back to the way it was before, and all emails are going to go, well, since there's no folder, they're not going to go anywhere. So what I want to be able to do, if I want to go back over here, and I want to make sure I remove that filter that I set up earlier, right? So if I go back up to here, and this right here, I want to delete this filter and say okay. All right, that's how easy it is to set that up, change things, edit it, all within the settings, and right up here where you can create your own form to, let's say for example, you want to whitelist this right here. There's multiple ways of doing it. You can go into the email, and then there's a 3 little dots up there, and I want to be able to filter this message, and then boom, there it is. It's going to say filter. I want to create a filter. I want to be able to never send to spam. Perfect, cool. Never send it to spam, and then create a filter, and then it will show up into your filter in areas in your settings. All right, guys, that's how easy it is. Now, I have a special offer for you. I've got a free course, how to make $100 per day just by sending emails. And that's what I do for a specialty. I also do hosting at skyviewhost.com. And this is what it's going to look like right here when you go into this course. I'll have a video here that will teach you. It's all free. It's on YouTube. And here's another part 2, part 3, how to make money, and the tools that you need to go set up. And I have a special bonus for you at the very end. So go ahead and take a look at that, how to make $100 per day just by sending emails out. Very simple to do. So if you like this video and you like this information, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Guys, have a great day and go make it very prosperous for you. All right, have a great day. Adios.